Welcome to the daily commute, day 2 of the Chopper Night and Antique Motorcycle Show video. It's bright early 5:45 a.m. in Gerringong, down there. We're about to head back up to Bulli and go to the Antique Motorcycle Show, to the swap meet, to see what we can find. Come along. So anyway, at the end of a long day, we went down to Bulli to see the chopper night at the Heritage Hotel on Friday. It was very good. You'll see the footage and the photos. And then we did the AMCA Antique Motorcycle Show. So we're home now. I'll show you the pack. And yeah, thanks for coming along. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Give me a comment. I'd love to read through them and reply where I can. And yeah, if you want to see more of this, give us a subscribe and let's do a thing. Let's do another one. Anyway, I'm buggered. I'm hot. I'm gonna have a beer. So, catch you on the next one. Oh, but before we do, let's go have a look at that little tidy pack. Anyway, like I said, thanks for coming along for the ride. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it would you got something out of it. Get out there, have a go, and go and explore and experience the motorcycle culture that we have here in Australia, which is amazing. All the best. Catch you on the next one.
Don't be filming me fucking hog, mate.